Alright, hey guys, I'm doing a bike check on my 2015 Mach 2 Fit. I'm gonna start from the end. Fit, stock, bar ends, the regular Fit grips, Fit bars, stock of course, Fit stock bike Fit Bikeco stem. This is brand new, by the way. I just got it out the store. I just got home with it. Fit stem stock. Got the white wall tires on it. What's actually 20 by 2.4 right there. And then the heart of my bike, the frame, the Fit Mach 2 frame, stock. I'm gonna do all this because you can't really see it. The sprocket is Fit stock, regular KMC chain to oil it up. Fit Bikeco pedals. Regular seat on it. It has a thing where you stick the Allen wrench through it. Stock Fit Bikeco cranks, and this bike comes with a hub guard. That's what I like about it. It's pretty cool. Anyways, that's my bike check. Let me go ahead and do a hub sound for you. It's not really that loud, but it's pretty loud. My bike check. Thanks for watching. I will post more videos soon. See ya.